that they genuinely, Jeff, who you just heard in that upshot there, that little bit of audio from the doco, in the first sequence of the doco, we go into his house, and as soon as I walk in, he literally starts pulling out guns from every corner of his house, and it really shocked me. And when I asked him why he has that many guns, it's because he leaves the house every day feeling like he's on the defensive, like someone could attack him because he's a gay man.
But what is their justification when you say something to them like you've got the same gun that killed all of these students, all of these kids, all of these people in this gay nightclub? What do they say to that?
His answer is, he's basically saying, look, if someone wants
this
to
fucker
they'll find a way to do it.
just ran a fucking red light, and now he wants to fucking sit in that lane. Eat a dick, cunt. You're still on the right lane, you fuckhead.
US President Donald